Well, welcome to Ed's four-wheel driving camping. In today's video, we're talking about gas stoves. I know, how boring is a gas stove? But have you ever been out camping and it's just blowing its backside off and you cannot keep that thing working, your gas stove, because of the wind? Well, I was out camping with some mates of mine a few weeks ago, and they cook outside, as you should do when you go camping. Why not? That's where you go camping for. And they have gas stoves and all the rest of it. And they put me onto this great product from KAON. Now, KAON haven't sponsored me at all or anything like that. I paid for this myself. And it's just a gas stove weather shield. They come in a pack of one. They cost about, I think it's about $60. And I thought at the time, $60, that's a fair whack a day just for a little ring. But I tell you, it saves you just a ton of stress. So you can go out camping, boil your kettle, do your food, and your gas stays lit. And the best part about it is you've got more control over your gas flame because it's all isolated within the ring. In other words, you can turn it down, it's still blowing its backside off, and this thing just works. I'll put it in, I'll show you how good it is. I rate this product, it's brilliant. Show you how we use this thing. All right, it is just, I can't say enough how great this product is. Right, it's just a simple ring. Who'd have thought? It weighs nothing. Why would you get big weather shields when something like this weighs nothing? Simple to install. I mean, you just put it in and it just works. I'll show you how to put it in. It's so simple, it's ridiculous. Here we go. Just move the box out. I'll just move you over here and then point you down to the gas stove. There you go. All right, we'll just use this one here. So it's a Smev two-burner Dometic stove thing, you know. So you just pull your thingy up like that, put the ring in, line up the little hole things, push it down. Could you get any more simple than that for an install? Really? And I'll show you how it works. Now she's a little bit blowish, not too bad. Turn your gas on, hang on, oh, here we go. Now it's on. Simple. But effective. You can't see the flame. I know, I'm sorry about that, but that's how it is. So it's a little bit blowy at the moment, so I could turn this right down to nothing. And she's still going. It's still going. It's blowing a bit of heat. And it's still going. Yep, still going. Now the beauty of it is, like, I can have that on a really low flame. It consolidates the heat. So you're using less gas. So it'll save you a quid or two, and it won't blow out. Boom, up those flame goes. It's just a great product. I couldn't recommend this highly enough. As I said, I paid for it myself. KAON gave me no money for this. I just think it's a great product. $60, as I said earlier on, I thought it was a bit of a, you know, really that much for that? Now I bought it, I swear by it. Why would you even bother to try and buy shields to go around your gas stove? Just get one of these little things. If not, two. And you can cook outside in a blowing, well, not really a gale, but a good sized wind where this thing gets just blown out all the time. And it just works. Well, guys, I hope you got something out of that. If you have, hit the thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, all that sort of stuff. And I'll see you in the next video when I find another great product, something simple that we can all use while we're out camping on our gas stove or whatever it is. If I find a product and I believe in it, I'll buy it. Mate, that's just friggin' brilliant. I love it. It's the best. It truly is.